Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the Once Dating app. When you open the app for the first time, the screen will ask you to sign in. Once you complete the sign-in process, the app will start asking you a few questions to set up your profile. The first question will be about your gender. Select the option that describes you. After that, the app will ask if you are looking for a male or a female. Choose the option that matches what you are looking for on the app. Next, the app will ask why you are here. You will see a list of options such as finding love, dating, or making friends. Select the option that fits your reason for joining the app. Then the app will ask for your country and your city. Enter the correct information so people can see where you are located. After that, the app will ask you to upload pictures of yourself. Choose clear and recent photos so others can get a good idea of who you are. Upload as many photos as the app allows or as many as you feel comfortable with. Next, you will be asked to select 5 vibes. Vibes are traits or qualities you want in a partner. Take your time and choose the 5 that match what you are looking for. Once you finish these steps, your account will be created. You can now explore profiles and start chatting with anyone you want to. Thanks for watching.